login problem on ChatGPT app. So if you want to fix the login problem in your ChatGPT app, then what you need to do is first you need to go ahead and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will face some problems while logging into your ChatGPT application. Next, you need to check if you're using any VPN. So if you have logged in or connected to any VPN services, you need to just simply go and turn off your VPN. Go ahead and disconnect it. Sometimes VPN blocks ChatGPT's login services. Now you can just simply go with your settings. Under settings, you can scroll down and go with apps section. Under apps, you can go with manage apps, and here you need to search for ChatGPT. Once you've searched for it, you need to tap on ChatGPT and then go with clear all data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on OK and clear the data. Or if you have clear cache option, you just need simply go and clear your cache, and after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back and restart your device. You can uninstall ChatGPT application and then again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and restart your device, and after restarting, it will fix your login problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.